All right, welcome back, my dear student. So I got a whole bunch of tabs here, and I'm just gonna close some of them down right here. Function result. Beautiful, right? This method. So now that we got this coming back to our controller, all right, we get this return back to this here. And remember, this turns into a project variable. So now this project variable is gonna be in our view. All right, in our index view. So let's go to our index.php right now, and now we can go ahead and use that. So remember that projects variable, all right, from here is going to return an array of objects. All right, so we need to loop through it so that way we can pull out those values. So that's what this is doing, is returning an array of objects. This is object-oriented programming, so remember that. All right, so now here what we can do is we could, I don't know, we could create some table and t head, if I remember correctly. Here we could have maybe the table or project name or something like that, project name, but let's make sure that it's on inside a t head. All right, so hopefully you see what I'm doing. I got a t head here, a tr, and then some th. These are html, of course. Project name, and then the project body. And then here I will have something called a t Oh, you know why? Because we don't have this model. We're not loading it. Remember to load this model, guys, all right? So let's go to our config and then autoload.php all the way to the bottom, I believe. Line 129 for me. And here I'm going to put a comma on this array and single quotes and then paste that value in there, all lowercase. Projects underscore model. There we go. You made me look really bad there. Enter. All right. So we got another problem here. I went ahead of myself and did not check the problem. Call to a member get projects. Mm-hmm. Auto.php no s, and make sure that the name has no s right here. You see that? Rename it. I don't know. I thought that I renamed it before. Enter. There we go. So everything should be the name of that no s file, no s, autoload.php, no s, and then you should be good. All right. And let's go back to projects and make sure this one has a s. This is the folder name. All right. Enter. There we go. Now it works. So we got PHP and JavaScript here. It looks really bad what's actually what we're seeing here. Let's code it. Let's make sure that it looks good with Bootstrap. I think this lecture got really safe. I just don't like the way this breaks right here. No, that's not the way it is. So undo it, Command Z or Control Z. just gonna do it right here. Anyway, we'll play around a little bit with this later, but right now let's do the project body for the next TD, right? Project body. There we go. Enter. There we go now. Okay, it looks better. It was breaking because we didn't have the other one, so that's fine. As you can see, it looks a lot better now, right? So these are gonna be lists of projects that when we click on it, it's gonna take us to that projects section there for each individual project, and we're gonna have some tasks that we're gonna be able to see on there. All right. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and sorry that this lecture took so long, but it happens. Take care.